How to work on Cricut Design Space. Step 1. Open Cricut Design Space and click on New Project. Step 2. Click on the little square box on the upper left side of the screen to change the grid. Step 3. On the Templates tab you will find templates for visual reference. Step 4. In the Projects tab you'll find various finished projects for inspiration available with Cricut Access. Step 5. If you go over to the Images tab you can find any type of image here to use for your project. Step 6. The Text tab allows you to add custom text to the projects. Step 7. You can adjust the font style, size, spacing, alignment and more from the top panel. Step 8. In the Shapes tab you'll find various shapes available to use for designing and sizing projects. Step 9. The Upload option is where you can upload the files. Step 10. To cut, select the image you uploaded and make the required changes from the top panel. Step 11. When you're ready, click on Make It, then select the number of copies and material size. Step 12. You also have the option to mirror the design if you're cutting heat transfer vinyl. Step 13. Click Continue when you're ready to print. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.